Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another video. So today's video is about YouTube advertising, one of my favorite subjects. In general, I just really love talking about advertising. So today's video is about advertising, YouTube ads in general, and what's the best type of YouTube ads and how you should do it for your products. Like if you're selling affiliate products, your own products, whatever you're selling, how should you be doing it? Now, the thing is, this is like advertising in general is such a big subject to talk about, and it's impossible to really explain every single detail in a single video. So what I'm going to do in this video is focus on a very small part of YouTube advertising. So this way it's kind of easier to keep it to the point and valuable. All right, so the video is not going to be all over the place. So we're going to talk about types of YouTube ads. So in this video I'm going to focus two types of ads: discovery ads and stream ads. So in case if you don't know what kind of ad, what are these two, discovery ads are basically the ads that you see on the side of videos, like the in recommended section of a video as an ad, like, or when you search for something on YouTube in search bar, and like on the search results, like there's an ad video shows up at the top. That's called the discovery ad. So people, in order for you to get a view, people have to click on your ad. So they have to choose to watch that video, right? The second one is in-stream ad. This is the type of video that plays when you watch a video, like the video plays at the beginning of the video, or in the middle, like ad breaks, or at the end of the video, a video just shows up on the video that you were watching or someone else was watching. So that's an in-stream ad. So the thing is, each one of these, like there is no good and bad between two, and each and every single one of these videos are good, and each and every single one of these ad types are good and bad for a couple of other stuff, a couple of different things. For example, I personally like discovery ads more than anything else, because for the sole purpose that people actually choose to click on it. Okay, so it's not like they're not choosing to watch the video, like your video just pops out in the beginning of in the beginning of a video that they want to watch. So for that purpose, I really like discovery ads. But in-stream ads can be effective if you're doing retargeting. Okay, so if you're retargeting a list of customers or people who have already watched a video or something like that. So yeah, I'm gonna share a cool ninja trick too as well, so like you learn some cool stuff with it. But yeah, so what I want to focus is, I want to explain, first of all, before I take you to my computer to show you some examples, I want to explain how do I do this, how do I do it. Again, there's a lot of different ways that you could do advertising, so don't just take my word for it. Okay, so for discovery ads, what I do is I send them, like I use the opportunity of that video to show a training, like something that they're going to get value. Now usually my discovery ads are long, like these are 5 to 10 minute videos. Okay, so I provide value, I build up the trust on YouTube, and then I send them to a sales page directly. If not possible, I send them to a page where they have to opt in once, like it's a single opt-in, and then they go to a page. So for example, if this is the video, okay, they go to a page. This could be direct sales page. Now if this is not possible, for example, if you're selling an affiliate product, you can't just put your affiliate link in there, right? That's gonna get your account banned. So what you want to do is you want to send them to an opt-in page, and that opt-in page is not really important. Okay, it plays a good role that it kind of filters your audience, so filters people who are not interested. But you could do an opt-in page, and this is going to be single opt-in. Basically, this is when, let's actually do this the right way. I'm kind of annoyed. Okay, so this is like when people put their name and email, but they don't have to verify it, because you're not really looking to get their name and email. You're just trying to send them to that affiliate link or whatever, right? So this is going to be your affiliate link again. So that's the goal there. That's what I do with discovery ads. So it's going to be like a long discovery ad, and then goes to that sales page or target page basically. So yeah, that's how I do it. With stream ads, it's completely different. So with in stream ads, what I do is I usually try to keep it under 30 seconds. Like that's what I do. Like most of the times, that's what I try to do. Now it's really hard to keep these videos under 30 seconds. It's real hard because, like, imagine you have to make a point and convince someone to click on those links, like on the link in 30 seconds. It's quite hard. So you have to either have a really good video, or you could make it get into the 1 minute mark if you're making good points and if you can get people to watch your video. Okay, so I'm gonna share one more thing like about those in stream ads. So you like, it's like a secret thing that I use to create the best kind of video for, like the most engaging video for in-stream ads. I'll explain that. Okay, so for in-stream ads, what I do, I don't know what is that, but I send them to a sign-up page. Okay, now this sign-up page is quite simple. It's name and email, quick, single opt-in. Okay, so that's the first scenario, opt-in. And you want this to be easy. Okay, you don't want to have a really busy opt-in page or anything like that. You want it to be quite simple, and then you send it to wow, okay, not you send it to either sales page or your offer page or whatever that page is, like a pre-sale page or something like that. So that would be the first option. The second option, this is something that I do like 50% of times as well, is I send them to a pre-sale page directly. Okay, now if you're sending people directly to a pre-sale page, okay, so this is the in-stream ad. Like if you're sending people directly to a pre-sale page, you want to have the title, you want to have the video, and all that stuff, like the call to action button and everything. So you want to have all that stuff in there. Okay, so that's like two different ways that you can do this. Again, guys, one thing you want to do is you want to make sure, like, you want to make these kind of decisions to whether what you want to do with it based on your video, your brand, what you're selling, and all that stuff. So it's very important. Otherwise, it's gonna be kind of a hit and miss, really. Okay, so you want to make sure that you know how well your video is working for that specific audience. So I'm going to talk about that in a minute, because in-stream ads are really complicated, but there's a way to figure out whether your video is good enough or not, like whether people are watching your videos or not. Okay, multiple ways to actually do it, but I'll explain one like kind of weird trick that I use to learn. All right, so let's go to my computer. Let me show you a couple of examples with these funnels so you get a good idea of how to run your YouTube ads better. All right, guys, so I just noticed that this video is kind of going all over the place because I was trying to focus on types of videos, types of ad videos that I use most of the times, which I will. This is what I'm going to talk about right now, but I'm just going to try to keep this as simple as possible because I just noticed this is going kind of all over the place. So what I have for you right now is, first of all, I have like I'm in my Google Ads campaign. I'm in the discovery, like there's a discovery campaign that I've been running. Now this is my staging account, not the main account. So that's why I do all these tests on this account. Now, in case if you don't know what's a staging account, I'm not going to explain it, but the short answer to that is just like, it's an account where you run your ads for a while, you test it, and then when they work good, you just move it to your main account. This way you protect your main account. It's complicated, a little bit more than that. So it's something I talk about inside Diversity. Anyway, so take a look at this. This campaign, I don't know, this is today. I've been, let's see. Okay, so I've spent not much money on this. It's like $134. And this is a discovery ad, and this is about 1 minute and 40 seconds. Like, this is a short one, not a long one really. But if you actually like when you in your ad campaign, when you click on this, it gives you a lot of good data. Not enough, but it gives you a good amount of it. Okay, so like impressions, clicks, view rate, and everything. And in this case, the click doesn't really matter, because what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to test the funnel here. Okay, because the clicks are basically like amount of clicks that people have done. How many people have clicked this? Because usually most of the times people click what they call it in your on the link in the description, not the link here really, unless it's on mobile. But anyway, so this is like, it gives you a good amount of data, but one thing that it doesn't give you, okay, is how people are reacting to the video, which I'll get to that in a minute. But as you can tell, I do like discovery ads a lot more, especially if you're promoting affiliate products. Okay, if you're trying to generate leads, if you're trying to build a brand, discovery ads are the best. Like, they work much better than anything else. Okay, now I use in-stream ads, but I don't use them to really make money or generate leads, at least for my own YouTube channel, not products that I promote. That's a whole different story, by the way. Like affiliate products that I promote and everything, that's an entire different story. But for my own stuff, I just use it to build my brand. Really, I don't use it to get sales or leads or anything like that. I just do it to kind of put myself out there more and more. That's what I use in-stream ads for, my own personal brand. For other stuff like my affiliate products that I promote and everything, that's a different story. But yeah, you get the idea, guys. That's that, you know. So just to kind of close this video a little bit, I do like discovery ads more than anything else, for if you want to do video advertising for affiliate products. So discovery ads are just the best way to go. All right, so just to share that little secret I was talking about, so this is how I do it. So if you so what I do is, when I want to run a video ad, I try to run some traffic to it to see how people react. Okay, because let's actually go back here, because YouTube tells you how people react. Like, it tells you like the views, clicks, and everything, you know. And it gives you some good idea of how people are, like, retention wise, you know, how is it doing. But it doesn't give you details more than that. So what I do is I upload them to Vistia. In case if you don't have Vistia, I think you can start for free. I'm not 100% sure about that, but yeah, I upload it to Vistia, I send traffic to it, and it gives me this heat map data. Take a look. It gives me all this heat map data where I can see exactly how people are doing, how often they're watching the video and everything. It's so cool. It's just so amazing. Like, for example, these, like, when it's like this, means that they are they're rewatching this part. So it's like this is not the exact video that I have over there, but yeah, you get the idea. It's quite interesting. It's really interesting. So yeah, this gives you a lot of good data too, so you can run some traffic to it and see how people react. That's what I do to just double check and triple check my videos to make sure they're good videos. Alright guys, hopefully this was helpful. Let me know if you have any YouTube ad questions. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got some value from it. If you did, make sure to like this video, share it with your friends, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about it, and leave a comment if you want me to make a video about something specific in next video in the future. Alright, so yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. I'm making videos every single day, so if you want to learn some cool stuff, online business, marketing and everything, this is the channel for you. And click the link in the description. That's going to take you to my training program. If you want to learn more, if you want to learn the right way to start an affiliate marketing business or online business in general, that's the course you want to check out. The thing is, when it comes to promoting products as an affiliate or selling your own products, doesn't matter which way you're doing it, there isn't just one way to do it. You know, you got to choose the right strategy based on your product, and this is what people are missing, because people think that there is one formula to make money online, but in reality you need to choose the right strategy based on the product. And this is something you learn inside my training program. So just click the link in the description. That's going to take you there. And if you want to learn the right way, and because in this video I was kind of just showing you everything, but in that program I'm going to do everything with you. You're going to see me actually building campaigns right in front of you. You're going to see me actually implementing things that I'm teaching you, and there's a lot more stuff in there. This was just basic stuff. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. The link is in the description if you want to check it out. Let me know if you have any questions, and again, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and I'll see you in the next video.